Today we talk about how can you receive price alerts on your market coin app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on push notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to price alerts. Just clicking this sign or this color here. So the like you see color it's gone. That's mean here price alerts notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.